So start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6. So I will chain 30. So now I've chained 30. On the second chain from the hook, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 5. Then I'll skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and through this 4th chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Now I'll skip 1 chain, and through the 2nd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 5. I'll skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. I'll skip the next chain, and through the 2nd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 5. I'll skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. I'll skip the next chain, and through the 2nd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 5. Then I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. I'll skip the next chain, and through the 2nd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. And now again I'll chain 5. Then I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this last chain, which is our 4th chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Of course it's not necessary to alternate yarn, but I think it looks better for certain patterns when you use yarn in contrast colors. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different colors, and I'll turn my work around. Now right here through this first single crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through the slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 5. Now through this first 5 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 2. Now right here through this 3 chain loop, I'll make a 7 double crochet cluster. Now through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. Now I'll chain 2. Through this next 5 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 2. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 2. Through this next 5 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 2. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. Again I'll chain 2. Through this next 5 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. And now to finish row 2, I will chain 2, then let me see, right here through this first single crochet chain, see, from a previous row I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 2. Now I will chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So now for row 3, I'll turn my work around and I will use yarn in different color, which is the yarn that we used in row 1. So right here through this first double crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through that same double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I will chain 3, then right here through this 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'm sorry about the noise, my son just woke up because it's actually like I believe 8 a.m. and he just woke up, so hopefully it's not too loud. Okay, let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now to finish row 3, I will chain 3. Then right here through this last loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. And so this completes row 3. So now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn because we are going to alternate colors again. Now again I'll use yarn in color B, which is in our case burgundy yarn. So now for row 4, right here through this single crochet chain where I completed the first row, right through the chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 5, then right here through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 2. Now through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 2. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. Again I'll chain 2. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 2. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. Again I'll chain 2. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 2 through the next 5 chain loop. I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 2. Now through this last 3 chain loop, I'll make 7 double crochet cluster. Now I'll chain 1 and then now I will chain 2, then right here through this single crochet chain I will make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 4. This side looks from the wrong side. It looks like bubbles. And this is how it looks from the right side. We can make them look like bubbles from the front too, by doing this small step. Okay, now I'm gonna weave these ends in, and then I'll come back and show you. Well, I'll show you the same work, only without these loose ends. Yeah, for the pattern we repeat rows 1 through 4. I really like this one though, but I really like it because it has these contrast colors. I don't know, it looks very good for that.